Welcome to the Drum Set Therapy Podcast. My name is Stefano Ashbridge, and this is a show about the challenges that come with playing the drums and what you can do about them so you enjoy your drumming journey. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. I want to talk about why I or you would want to use different size sticks. I think it's good to find the stick size that feels just right in your hands for the way you normally play. For me, that stick size is a 5B, but I do occasionally use different size sticks for particular purposes. I'm a big proponent of using proper technique when playing. That is, using the fulcrum and utilizing gravity and momentum and working with the rebound. Your stick's weight, how heavy or light they are, play a part in all of that. For example, if you need to play really loud, the weight of a heavier stick can help do the work without you having to grip really tightly or force the stick. In the same way, if you need to play quieter than you're used to, playing with a lighter stick can help. Though I want to emphasize that playing the drums well involves having dynamic control. One should be able to play degrees of quiet and loud with their chosen stick size. I don't swap out different sticks to change my dynamics. I mainly play my 5B ahead sticks. But to illustrate my point, a long time ago I played with a blues band, and we happened to be playing in a family environment where there were young kids sitting right in front of my drums. In order to play the songs quietly but with conviction and with the same tone, I used a lighter 7A stick for that show. Thanks for listening. Visit drumlessonsinla.com for online and in-person drum coaching. Till next time.